Yes, hello friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael, and as you're all aware, on this channel we discuss about starting small-scale businesses. And this is a small garden. However, we are farming to get profit, so this could actually be also one of the side hustles that I normally tell you about. So today I want to show our simple progress. We have been given these onions. These are onion seedlings that we want to plant today. So we just put them here to prevent them from drying. However, as I always told you, the goal of this kitchen garden is actually to have 500 vegetables in 500 waste cement bags. So far, we have already reached that dream. We are remaining with removing a few vegetables to put them in our cement bags. As you can see, my onions are actually doing so well. I have here eggplants with dodo, so they are also doing very well. I have here sukuma wiki with the pumpkin. They are also doing well. I have uh, I have here, these are eggplants, and we have cabbages. Uh, we have here also spinach. We also have these ones. Is there anyone who knows what this one means? These are called strawberries. So this is a line of strawberries. We have cabbages on the other side. We have cabbages on this rack as well. We have beans. We have dodo. We have mangoes. We have also, these are also onions, and a lot more other things, corn flour, and very many other things. So because this is a demo garden, so we are doing experimentation of a lot of things. In fact, this experiment actually covers making of seedlings. Where do we get, for example, this is an old corn flour that has brought corn flour, and it has brought flowers for seeds. So I never saw this before, so I wanted to experiment to actually see where the seedlings for corn flour come from. So that's why I decided to leave this corn flour to actually bear these flowers. So here we are going to have seeds from this. So we have, this is ginger, and this is onion, but we eat leaves. So this garden, actually, its main goal is to actually look at food security in households, and also fighting malnutrition within our communities due to poor eating habits. So most people actually do not lack what to eat, but they eat food that is not rich with the nutrients required for our body. That's why we constantly go to the hospital when we are sick, and our goal here is to ensure that our communities have enough balanced diet with full of vegetables. So for here, actually, this garden is a demo garden. We want to let people learn this skill from here, to let them know that you can grow dodo in a bag like this, a beautiful dodo, as you can see. You can grow it in a bag like this, and also start eating a balanced diet of the food. So previously we started this garden actually when the sun was too much, so we thought about the best ways of actually having water that can help us during the sunny season. So we decided to make this simple water reservation or water harvesting underground tank. And as you can see here, we have managed to actually keep a lot of water that we use when the sun becomes tough on our vegetables. So what you're seeing right now are our cabbages. If you can see this small space, we have more than 50 cabbages on this small piece of soil. Actually, on top, what you are seeing is spinach, and we have some onions surrounding. It simply means on this small garden, if you are in rentals or if you have a small space, you can actually use this and it can be enough for your home. Like for example here, if I may say, we are very few in this home. We are just 2 people. So it means we cannot even manage to consume all these cabbages. We shall surely take some of them to the market. So this can supplement also on our income, on our daily income, to ensure that we have balanced diet as well as we save money to buy some other stuff. So here we also have okra. So we have grown okra, though they did not come out very well, but this is how okra look like. I think I will be showing you when it bears the fruits. And also you can see our cornflower is doing very, very well. So this project has actually a lot of opportunities. I already won seedlings from the local government. They sponsored this activity with a lot of inputs, including seedlings and other inputs like watering can, spray, and pesticides. So it simply means such opportunities and such initiatives for the community have a lot of opportunities. I would encourage you, if you have small space and you want to practice urban farming, or you want to start a kitchen garden, to enter into this. It has a lot of opportunities. Very many NGOs like working with people who are innovative, and by doing this you'll actually be one of those people that can actually earn some opportunities. As you can see, we have beans. They are doing very well, and these are very long beans. 1 or 2 beans can be enough for the whole meal. So we have dot on the other side. We have cucumber on those bags down. We have cabbages. We have spinach. We have green peppers. We have onions, and other things I even don't know their names in English. So we have simply a lot of things here. A lot of tea spices are here. We have tomatoes and a lot more other things. So this project is actually worth an investment, and you can start it in a very, very small space. Well, thank you so much for watching. Our goal is to see a hunger-free community and a malnourished-free community. That's why we are setting this kitchen garden, to ensure that we have enough food, and food that has nutritional values, in order to prevent children, the young, and the elderly from getting sick every day due to malnutrition. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be showing you the progress of this garden. Have a nice time. Bye bye.